What's the meaning of broadness? Broadness. Broadness.
Broadness. Broadness. Broadness refers to the state or quality of being wide or having a large extent in space or time. It can refer to physical width or breadth, such as the broadness of a river or a person's shoulders, or it can be used figuratively to describe something that embraces a wide range of ideas or perspectives. The term is often associated with concepts like diversity, inclusivity, and open-mindedness. When applied to individuals, it suggests a willingness to engage with different cultures and ways of thinking. In general, broadness connotes a sense of expansiveness, openness, and flexibility.